You have probably seen it hundreds of times. Someone buys a meme coin for a few $100s and then turns it into millions. So you decide to try it yourself. First, you binge watch videos about finding early meme coins, tracking whale wallets, copy trading. Then you apply every strategy you learned, yet you still lose money. If this sounds like you, stick to the end, because I'm about to show you a different approach to meme coins that actually works and will allow you to make money this cycle. First of all, here's some harsh truth you need to understand. All these articles or videos about people actually making millions by investing just a few $100s are extremely rare. Every single article like this is extremely rare case, and hitting something like this is like winning a lottery, because for every single person that made millions with meme coins, there has to be thousands of people who actually lose money. So it's way easier to be in that second group. And if you go to YouTube and search how to make money with meme coins, you will see hundreds of videos about people who share their strategies to find early meme coins, how to make $500 per day. However, most of them got really lucky, got some insider info, or they're just teaching you principles that may not work. Because at the end of the day, you don't know how much money they actually made and how much money they actually lost with these strategies. Usually, they are only showing you the wins, so you have to keep that in mind before you try to implement strategies from any video like this. And even if you found a decent video that explained to you in depth exactly what to do, if you are a complete beginner into crypto, you'll fall into very typical mistakes, because your emotions will take over. And even if you see a meme coin like this and the guru will tell you how to find this sweet spot to actually buy the meme coin early, you will end up buying at the top. And chances are the meme coin will never reach this all-time high ever again, and you will be forced to sell at a loss if you don't want to lose all of your money. And trading meme coins is actually pure gambling. If you took a look at the statistics, you'll know that millions of tokens get launched on Solana every single month. And the percentages of meme coins that are actually somewhat successful are absolutely tiny. And even if you made millions of dollars on the meme coin, you still wouldn't be able to sell it because of the liquidity. Most meme coins like this don't have a lot of liquidity, which means that to sell your position, which could be worth on paper millions of dollars, you'd have to spend a long time DCAing out, because you wouldn't be able to sell all of your meme coins in one transaction. And I thought that I will never have to say this, however, meme coins aren't get rich quick schemes. Pretty much anything that is get rich quick doesn't work. Most people would love to make quick money because this is very appealing, and you can see it by the views per hour that these types of videos are getting every single day. And to be honest, the most profitable strategy would be to start making videos like this yourself, because ad revenue would be much more predictable rather than trading your average meme coins. And I'm not arguing that there are people who can make money with it. However, the majority of people, at least 90% of people, will lose money. Because as I said before, most beginners lack the necessary knowledge and discipline to actually follow a strategy that would allow them to accumulate any significant amount of money and actually get out of the coins before they hit zero. And there are multiple problems with trading meme coins, because if you are purely trading meme coins for quick profit, you will kill every single project you touch. Because if everybody decided to trade meme coin for profit, it would be impossible to grow it into higher market caps, because for a meme coin to grow and for the developers to actually be incentivized to continue, there have to be a strong community built around the project with group of holders that will hold the floor and will actually allow the project to grow, because most Solana meme coins look somewhat like this. They get a big pump, they get back down, and they go sideways towards zero. This is unfortunately your average meme coin. And even if there was a developer who wanted to pursue the project, if he sees something like this happening to their coin, chances are they're going to quit early are very high. And the biggest mistake that you can make by trading meme coins is that you are actually chasing money instead of attracting it to you. You are still on the hunt for that next 100x meme coin, you are still on a hunt for that early pump fund meme coin that is going to actually launch on Radium and will make some profits. However, there is an easier way, which will allow you to actually have a life and don't have to stare at the charts all day, because your meme coin might drop 50% in a matter of minutes. And this is actually my approach to meme coins. And by the end of this cycle, I guarantee you I will have at least $1 million in my bank account. Because instead of staring at the screener all day and follow the new and appealing meme coin, I just found one project that I can stick to long term. And the meme coin I'm talking about is TCAT. I've been with this coin pretty much since day one. It's been almost 100 days. We had huge ups and downs. Currently, the market is bleeding because there's another threat of World War III, so every meme coin is down. However, I know this project is going places, because instead of actually day trading this meme coin, the community is accumulating more, building around this project and help each other grow. Because this meme coin was built on PPP mindset, which is player pumps player, instead of PvP mindset, which is your typical Solana meme coin, where it's actually a race who is going to be the exit liquidity. And PPP doesn't only mean that people are holding and accumulating even more TCAT, we are actually helping each other in different ways. The team is holding daily voice chats where you can ask any question about crypto. They will show you how to keep your crypto secure. They will answer even the most basic and beginner questions. Everybody is welcome here. The team is dedicated to their project. They already burned $6.5 million worth of TCAT, and show me a Solana meme coin that's going to do the same. It's very unlikely. And my focus in this video isn't to promote TCAT, it's just to show you that there's a different approach to meme coins and that you don't have to keep chasing the next 100x. You can just find a project with a strong team and community around it and just get involved into growing this project, as I do with TCAT. I create content about this, I'm very active in the chat, and I also joined Ton Creators, which is sub-community which originated from TCAT, but I will make a specific video about Ton Creators in the future. And the main idea behind TCAT is that we don't care about the short-term gains. We are taking a look at the bigger picture and longer time frame. And TCAT isn't the only coin that is doing exactly the same thing. There are a lot of other meme coins that already perform well and are doing exactly the same thing. For example, Bread has very strong community. They have a lot of holders that keep holding the floor because they know this meme coin is going places. There is original Pepe coin, which started to burn their tokens, which actually rewards the holders and incentivizes them to hold and buy more. So there are a lot of projects with long-term vision that you can take part of. I decided to stick with TCAT. And if you would like to join TCAT community, you can see the links down in the description down below to join the Telegram. You can join the voice chats and just take a look for yourself if that's something that's interesting to you. Once again, I'm not denying that you can't make money trading meme coins. However, as a beginner, it's way easier to find a good high quality project that you can stick to long term, you can DCA in and wait for your bag to grow over time. You don't have to keep searching for the next 100x meme coin. You can just find a project for long term and actually build something that lasts, and not like you are chasing 100x meme coin just to invest all of the profits into a rug pull. So if you are tired of losing money on these quick pump and dump schemes, I highly encourage you to try to find a good high quality projects with a long-term vision for yourself that you can invest into and take part in their community, build alongside them, and it will definitely benefit you more in the long run. Because if you keep building alongside them, the returns won't only be monetary, you'll also learn valuable skills, build some relationships, and just spend your time in quality way. If you enjoy this type of content, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I will see you in the next video.